According to the influential and prominent German philosopher Theodor Adorno, dialectic thought is an attempt to break through the coercion of logic by its own means, meaning dialectic method and its application and successful employment actually has never been easy for anyone under any circumstances and situations to achieve or to attain, because the ability to use multiple different languages and different words and speaking and writing patterns at the same time to produce the same meaning, so that we can break free from the structures of logic, reason and analytics is going to be very difficult, and it's obviously going to require and demand of it a whole lot of patience, perseverance, persistence from the individual man. Alongside, he also has to have integrity, morality and character, with the help of which he is going to be able to continue his dialectic method upon the different phenomena and concepts and realities that he basically comes into contact with in his everyday life. So when we apply the dialectic method, then we are able to break free or break away from the complications and critical structures of logic, reason, science, and other forms of difficult knowledge as well. Understanding, comprehending and breaking down logic and reasonable language actually has always been very difficult and achievable only by the few. So when we apply the dialectic thought, when we are willing to apply different languages and multiple types of approachable patterns to the breaking down and to the understanding of one only matter, theory or topic, then we will be able to understand it from multiple perspectives and also have different ideas and develop different approaches and perceptions in the process, and we will also be able to in the process bypass the coercion, the compulsions and obligations of logic and its criticality, alongside the analytics and reasonable methods. But dialectic thought or dialectic method is not always escape from logic, because logic is going to be at work, but we will only try to lessen the intensity of the language or the process with the help of which we break down different matters. So when we apply this dialectic method, then we only simplify the process and the different equations that we deal with. But it does not necessarily mean an escape from logic, but bypassing its criticality and its complications for a temporary period of time. But